Hey y'all, how y'all doing? We're gonna be doing a video of the Viar 94, my biomass wood stove waste oil heater. Burned, veggie oil on it, burnt motor oil, a little bit of everything. It's a pretty nice little system. I mean, it's not bad to use at your own risk. I mean, if you're gonna build something like it, use it at your own risk. Not responsible for it, just what I do. And I'll show you a little bit about it. All right. Well, the conditions outside are 44 degrees. 10 mile an hour, it's about 37 degrees heat index. And the temperature in here right now is about 44 degrees. It's cold in here. Cool anyway. And the barometer, that's rising. It's a windy, sunny day outside. It's cold. And humidity is about 72%. So we can see we can't change that. All right. I just got through dumping some used oil out of my cooker. My electric cooker, I love that little thing. It's a Fabricate. Yeah, Fabricate. But just got to do dumping it and put new oil on it. It was time. And whenever you got waste oil, like, man, what do I do with it? Dig it in the put it in the garden, this and that? Nah, I reuse it. I hate to warm my rear end with. But like I say, I dumped it in my oil reservoir. That's why you see ground stuff over the years. And yeah, it's pretty cool. But right when this wood stove pipe heats up, this stovepipe, it heats this oil reservoir up, and you can imagine that's 44 degrees, probably temperature of that or colder, and it heats this up. But you got to keep this on. You don't want any oxygen going to it. And I mean, it's been safe so far. It's been pretty good. I got a fire extinguisher handy on the wall over there, but it does a good job. It preheats oil enough. That's a big amount of oil. Preheats it, and that way it can drain to the pipe easier. And I got it's manual, so I just can put it in drip mode or just give it a big shot of oil if I got green wood in there, which I can burn any kind of wood in here. I mean, when you got oil, hot oil going over top of green wood, it's gonna burn. The old saying, you can't get something to burn, put some motor oil or some diesel fuel on it, she'll burn. But when it's hot, it burns clean. So anyway, got some scrap wood projects I've been doing, old deck boards. I wouldn't burn them in your house, but I burn them out here because I got it's a big area. And I got some green maple. So we're gonna let you see it. And I got some oak, that's seasoned oak down there, another piece of oak there. We're gonna let y'all see it in action. All right. I'm gonna put on the tripod. I'm gonna crank her up, and I'll show you the stovepipe. Sorry about that. I get way off track sometimes. But right now, here's the stovepipe going up. And here's the bracket I built for the back to get it that much farther away from my eave, my overhang, so it would clear it. So yeah, that's the whole purpose behind that. The frame, I built that frame. But anyway, all right. I'll show it when it's operation burning. I'll let you see with oil dripping. Let you see what it does. But it's gonna be a pretty good video. All right, so let's give it a whirl. Okay, y'all. Take the butane torch. Got the dampers opened up. Got my other damper up here opened up. I got a little diesel in there. All right. She's going. And I like to do, take a little oil, drop down on there. I'll see if I can see that dripping out or not. Yep, she's coming out of there. Anyway, yeah, gonna get her going. And we'll come back, let her get up to get some heat. Gotta get the oil preheated first. But it's wood and oil back up. All right. She is humping. Right now, the stack temperature, we hadn't even rose up yet. We'll come back. Okay, y'all. The kindling went down real quick. So there's some more stuff on there. Give me a piece of ash on there. Oh yeah. Now put some oil on there. That'll help me keep me going. Stack temperature right now is about 300 degrees. Got another piece of wood in there. Ain't got room for that. All right. But yeah, the stack temperature, y'all. There she is. All right. There we go. All right. Be back. Stay tuned for more updates. Okay, y'all. Stack temperature's coming up, and the fan it came on. It's set about 150 degrees. Well, I mean for the blower through the air tubes. So we're at good burn temperature right now. And anyway, great burn temperature. It's one of those magnetic deals. And if we get down and look at the other one, and it's about the same temp. There it is. Best operation. Creosote and all that good stuff. Watch it stumping right along. Open up, see what she looks like. Oh yeah. Watch this go. Here's a hole. Alright. Okay, y'all. I got her in a slow drip mode right now. I got it barely cracked open. It looks more oil than what it is, but it gets, when the heat hits it, viscosity of it goes down, and it, when it heats up, it makes it more loose. And anyway, it's dripping on the wood, and the wood helps keep it lit once the temperature gets up right. But you can see the oil dripping in there. Let's see if I can zoom in. You can barely check it out. See it? That's it. A little drip here and there, and then the flames. And it's dripping on the wood, and then it's doing its thing. And the wood lasts longer too. Let's see, back up in. But that's the oil dripping on the wood and burning along with the wood also. I'm gonna come back and get a better shot. Stay tuned. Okay, y'all. The temperature now is about 800 degrees, a little tad bit over 800 degrees Fahrenheit. She is cooking, y'all. She is cooking. And that's the oil and wood. And being out in the shop like this, I want full heat. It helps out. Alright, let me zoom in and out of that. And we're going to throw some oil to her. Thank goodness for tripods. Alright. There's the fire. Y'all see that? That's a hot fire, y'all. I'll zoom in and just show you what it does. That's veg oil, burnt motor oil, all that kind of stuff. Put her at a slow drip. That's a slow drip right there. And you just set to what you want. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. There she is. But she is booming, y'all. Check outside, see what's doing outside right now. Close this up real quick. And the damper's wide open. She's cooking right now at 800 degrees. Burning, that is. With me. Alright. Good to show you outside, see how clean this thing burns. No tricks or gimmicks. Here she is, y'all. Let's get back away from it. Hold up. I believe in recycle reusing. But y'all, I mean, it is no smoke coming out of there at all. But with oil, you want a hot heat. And it's burning hot. Of course, the wind's blowing, but you'd be able to see smoke. But she's clean burning, y'all. All right. Just want to show you all that. I will do some more updates when we go inside. Okay, y'all. The pitcock valve, the ball valve, is about barely cocked, open. So that's what we got. And like I say, oil gets heated over here. Back here, like I say, this is at least 3 inches clearance, and the heat from the stack heats the oil reservoir, but only use at your own risk. And what happens is it heats the oil up, and you want to keep the top on there, because she's warm. But there you go. But definitely want to keep that top on. You gotta hold your mouth just right. There we go. But anyway, and I'm gonna show y'all some temperatures out of here too. Right now, the oil reservoir. Let's see. Put the laser on there. She is about 300 degrees. See, that's hot enough to fry anything. Just about 284. And on the side here, it goes to 148. And the wall is like 129 degrees. That's that. I got it cooled down at the bottom, 80 degrees. The cool air comes up from there and goes up to the top. It can ventilate. 115. All right, and this wall right here, and that's a Ecofoil, about 111. She's toasty over here. 84. 83. But yeah, it's the heat. The heat gets the most. I mean, the heat is deflected most off of that. So that's where the temperatures are. And I got this Stanley blower. Each stack gets too hot, I'll crank that puppy up and I'll circulate a lot of air throughout the shop. But here's do some soap temperatures. It's stainless steel stack right here. All right. That stainless steel stack is 120 degrees. Black iron, 542 degrees. So that's the beauty of an insulated stack. 601 degrees. 658. Let's check the temperature line. See, that's around 600 degrees. That line right there. 200 degrees. Now you got 200 degree oil temperature, 200 and so the oil helps actually cool down the pipe also. So yeah, that's what we're going to do there now. Hold 1 second. Let's check the air coming out of the we got air temperature About 319 degrees air temperature coming out of here right now. That's toasty. Wood stove door. On 513 degrees. It's up and down, the higher you go. And now down near the base where the fire bricks are. About 300 degrees. Alright, sides. Fire bricks about midway up. Okay. Going up. Hot, it rises. Yeah, some good temperatures there. 400 and some degrees. Alright. Check this side. And that's the reason why I got that insulated, that wire coming out through there, through the EcoFoil. Insulated EcoFoil. 500 degrees. 500. I'm just measuring the cable temperature right now. That's around 115 degrees. Not bad. But yeah, just want to give you a little update what's going on. Let me close that damper. Let's check out the situation here. Anyway, y'all, she is doing a really good job. I've got it on a slow drip right now. And if you got some green wood on there, it's also good for that because it'll help keep it going. Like here's a dry piece of maple. I'll do it on there. I mean, green maple, that is. Just cut not long ago. Now put some oil on that now. Open her up. Now get things going. That helps burn. But anyway, I just want to give you a little tour on what she's doing. Close these dampers up. Close this up. I want all my heat going up the chimney. So that's closing the damper a little bit. Alright, we'll come back for more updates. Alright, y'all. Doing great. Thing is super warm. It's 700 to 800 degrees right now. Stack temperature. It smells like frying bacon in here when I get the door open. That is. You see the oil doing her job. That's that burning off the top. And just the wood, it soaks into the wood and burns. I mean, some people have a pan underneath out this and that. But this is what you call a hybrid, wood and waste oil. So when you got green wood, no problems. You can still burn green wood because that oil is going to make it super hot and it's going to burn. So, I mean, you know, it works. So if you see my other videos where I clean my stack out, it's clean as a whistle because I keep a hot fire. All right. Well, get back. I'm gonna close this thing up, and I'll stay tuned for more updates. Okay, y'all, just threw another piece of maple in there. That's old hot. That's old green maple. And she is taking off. Like I said, the oil really helps. Especially if you've got green wood. I can burn. Hey, this wood isn't prejudice. You can burn any kind of wood you got with the waste oil. And you use it when you want to. You don't have to use it. That's just what I got for. Well, for example, I'm gonna do this at home, y'all. Put a little shot of oil on there. Get that puppy going. she's taking off. But all right, well, that's gonna be about it. We're gonna wrap it up, and I'll show you the stack again since we dumped a little oil in there with the pitcock valve. All right, close this puppy up. Yeah, I built this stove in 1994. That's why I call it the Viar 94. Well, she's comfy out here now. But let's dump some more oil in there so we can go outside and I can show you what's up. But if you want it in drip mode or you just want it off, right now it's in off position. I'm going to dump some more oil in there since I got some green wood in there. So it'll get super hot in there. All right, it's open. All right. And when that thing starts turning like a white flame, you know she's super hot. And she's without the, you can hear it sucking air right now through the intake right there, the dampers. And I got the damper semi-closed up here, well, 3/4 way, I would say. All right, let's go out there and check it since we dumped some oil in there. See if we got any emissions coming out or dark. It'd be a dark color coming out. And after all that oil we dumped in there, not much. You got a little bit of smoke coming out of there. Not much. But that'll clear up in a minute as soon as it burns off. And that was a whole lot of oil, y'all. That's veggie oil. Oh, sorry about that. That's veggie oil, and let me get back from the distance. Okay, there you go. So not too shabby. It's just clearing up. But that's about the most oil smoke you'll see, or emissions. I mean, but that's veggie oil, burnt motor oil, all mixed together. So, why not use your used oil for heat? But anyway, all right, let's go back inside. I'll show you the temperature, what the shop is now, but compared to what it was earlier. And I got the fan on up there, the big old Emerson outdoor fan. I got that turned on about low, would say. And the stack temperature now, that's pumping. That's at a 700 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's about 350, 365 Celsius for my folks overseas or up in Canada. But yeah, she's up there. And a lot of this wood I get in woods where I squirrel hunt or hunt, and my neighbors cutting down trees and limbs. I'll burn anything. Like I say, that wood stove is not racist or prejudiced, so I'll burn anything it got. All right, the temperature out in the shop now is a whopping 50 degrees. about 53 degrees since we started. And it's only been running a couple hours, so it takes time. If you're gonna do work out here, you need to come out here early in the morning and get the fire started and let it do its thing. Let it do its thing. The humidity's dropped. down to about 65% humidity level. So that's really good. Dries out the shop right much when it's these concrete floors and it gets damp. So, but yeah, that's my little video. I just want to show you an operation, how it's doing, and all that good stuff. A lot of people request they'd like to see it running in operation. So there she is, y'all. So anyway, sorry for the long. Let me see, adjust this. Oh, whoa. Anyway, sorry for the long drawn out video. I just want to show you the Viar 94 hybrid biomass wood stove and the Selkirk stovepipe. I mean, that's some good stuff. You saw the temperatures inside, so you imagine well, heck, let's take a stack temperature of it outside so I can show you how hot that stuff gets. Okay, let me get my heat gun, y'all. Sorry, I was gonna sign out, but I weren't so lucky. No. Make small movements. Trying to get better at my videoing skills. But, for example, right at the base, okay, right at the base is 44 degrees. The stack is 44 degrees, y'all, 50 degrees. And that's at the clean out. So, yep, cold to the touch. And if we go in here, that's a bear doing anything one-handed. If you go in here and check the temperature out of the stack, with the stack, Selkirk double wall stainless or super vent made by Selkirk. Okay, that's on the stainless part. If you see the lasers, that is 82 degrees. That's comfortable. Now you go to the single wall pipe. Let me get a little closer. $524, $511. All right. Stainless steel is like 96, and 380 on the yeah, y'all see it. But anyway, I hope that makes some sense. But on the video, all right, now we're gonna sign out. So y'all, if y'all got any questions or comments, please ask. Leave me a comment. That's what I'm here for. Help people out, but use that at your own risk. At least 3 inches away, and like I say, I'm not responsible for anything you make. Just be safe. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching, and just for instructional purposes only. And thank you very much for watching. Y'all have a good one now. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. God bless, and Semper Fi. All right, now. Y'all take care.